Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and I can't believe we've already done 10 episodes of investing with Mac. How cool is that? So if you guys have not watched the previous videos, I highly recommend you guys go watch it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a cards feature on the right corner here, so hopefully you guys can see that, and all you need to do is just click that button, then we'll have the playlist there. All right, so hopefully this series inspired you guys to take action and start investing, because if I can do it, you guys can do it as well. So I'm not the sharpest, tool on the shed, and basically if you're passionate about making money and growing, you will make it happen. Okay, so take it from me, because I did it and it was an incredible feeling being the 10% traders of making money. So I'll just do a quick highlights of the episode that we have done in the past, and hopefully you guys can recall it. So in episode 1, we talked about different investment types such as stocks, commodities, derivatives, and real estate. But basically we focused on stocks, and stocks is type of investment that represent an ownership shares in a company. So definitely check that video out if you are new to investing, because there are a lot of investment types, but what you want to do is you just want to choose one for now. So in episode 2, we dived into the stock market and what the big companies are. So we talked about the blue chips company. So basically what they are is they're the giants in the space, so such as Ryokan, Cineplex, Dollarama, Walmart, and so on. And also, what we talked about in episode 2 is that we moved the money that we had in the blue chips companies and moved it over to a high growth companies such as the cannabis industry at the time. So highly recommend you guys watch that episode. So in episode 3, I introduced you to penny stock trading. So what that is stocks trading under $5 a share in pursuit of making profits. So the main focus of trading in penny stocks is riding the momentum for maximum profits. So look for industry that have a lot of hype, because if you do that, you're gonna make a lot of money. So I've mentioned the term as bid price, buy term, sell term, market order, limit order, bulls, bears, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. It sounds like I'm rhyming now, but if you're not familiar with any of those terms, definitely check out episode 3. So in episode 4, we talked about technical analysis and what it is. So basically it is a trading discipline used by traders to identify trading opportunities by analyzing trends and past data. So I explained why focus on share price, volume, and charting it. So if you guys are interested, please watch episode 4. So in episode 5, I introduced you to candlestick charting and why many traders use this in technical analysis. So I talked about how important it is to see the big picture, and candlestick will help you with that. So just remember that candlestick charting has originated in Japan in the 18th centuries, so it has been used for a while. So if you are curious about learning more, please double check or please watch episode 5. So in episode 6, we dived into 4 bullish candlestick patterns. So my favorite patterns are, the supernova, the blue sky breakout. So those are the 2 things that I really love, because that's where you make most of your money. And this is where I made most of my money, right? So this is an explosion of stock price that just goes up like but what you gotta remember is when the stocks is going up so significantly, you gotta be able to cash out and don't be too greedy, because if you do, you're gonna have the FOMO, the fear of missing out, and you don't want to do that. But anyway, if you're interested of learning more about bullish candlestick patterns, definitely check out episode 6. Alright, so in episode 7, we continue to talk about patterns, and in this episode we talked about bearish patterns that you need to avoid. So there was the snore pattern, the 3 black crows, the shooting star, and the break in support. So closer to the end of the video, I shared my screen with you on what not to do, because if you want to basically avoid losing money, then you gotta watch episode 7, because it's so important. So in episode 8, a lot of people have been asking me this question, is that it's now the right time to put your money in the market? And I always explain or answer with this question is that there is no wrong or right time to put your money in the market. The only thing, or the only, I guess you could say, the right time is when you're ready. So I do encourage you to start earlier, because when you start earlier, time is on your side. And just remember this, that experience is the best teacher, and the worst experiences teach the best lessons. So definitely I highly recommend you guys go watch it. So in episode 9, I spoke about how to actually get started. So there are many trading brokers out there. You know, the big three that we use are the RBC Direct Investing, Scotiabank iTrade, and TD Ameritrade. So if you're looking for another platform, definitely check out, Questrade, Simple, and Interactive Broker. So also know that there are different types of investment accounts you can open. So such as what we use are the TFSA, RSP, RESP, cash account, and also margin account. So this is a great episode if you are stuck on what accounts to open. So in episode 10, I discussed what tools you can use for trading and what I personally use to make the money that I have made, right? So definitely check out, TradingView. It's a great platform to start charting and analyzing data. And also what I discussed in that video, in that episode, is that I talked about, CEO.ca, I talked about stockhouse.com and Google Alerts to get information for stocks you are following. Definitely check that episode out because I think those are the tools that you'll probably need to get going and be successful. So finally, I just want to personally wish you guys a prosperous new year, and I hope that this episode, or not even episode, this series, were a tremendous value to you guys. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. But I always reiterate this, that if you take action now, definitely time is on your side. So hope you guys have a great new year. Take care and see you later.